Ever come across a Kickstarter goal of just $640? Well, buckle up because Leffy Tech has pulled it off for their latest smart ring, the Ring X. Not just that, it boasts a feature that even Apple Watches can't match. Stick around as I spill all the details in this video. Let's dive in. You see, the initial funding goal was set at a humble $640 but it turns out there was a tiny hiccup. Instead of $5,000 they accidentally set it at 5,000 Hong Kong dollars. Now that's what I call a blunder of epic proportions. Nevertheless, backers can still snag themselves the ceramic model for just $159, or splurge a bit more for the titanium version starting at $209. And there's even a blinged out gold-plated option for those who like to shine. Now, what sets the Ring X apart from the sea of smart rings flooding the market? Drumroll please. Dynamic blood pressure monitoring. Yep, you heard that right. This bad boy claims to provide continuous, real-time insights into your blood pressure, helping you keep tabs on your ticker's health. But before you start envisioning ditching your traditional blood pressure cuff, let's pump the brakes for a sec. We're a tad skeptical about its accuracy, considering it lacks certification as a medical device. Sure, optical blood pressure measurement isn't entirely outlandish. Samsung's Galaxy Watch models dabble in it too. But hey, even they require calibration every 28 days. Talk about a hassle, right? As for other feature, it comes with a battery life of up to 5 days and waterproofing up to 5 ATM. Plus, it's not just about blood pressure, it also tracks your heart rate, oxygen saturation, skin temperature, and even monitors your sleep patterns, and it doubles up as a pedometer too. Oh, and did I mention it can even track sports? But as with any smart ring, I doubt it'll be that accurate. Now, here's the million-dollar question, does it deliver on all fronts? Well, it performs the basic functions expected of any smart ring, but the real test lies in how effectively it executes each task. But fear not, if you're into rings, stay tuned, because we'll soon be putting the ultra-human Ring Air under the microscope. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated and learn more about it. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace out.